Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we have a game changer for your household cleaning routine, the PowerStone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner with Handle. If you're tired of battling hard water stains and grime in your toilet, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we dive into what makes this product the best automatic toilet bowl cleaner available. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our reviews of top-notch products like this one. Now, let's talk about why the PowerStone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner stands out from the crowd. The PowerStone Pumice Stone is your ultimate weapon against hard water stains and mineral deposits in your toilet. It's tough on stains but gentle on surfaces, ensuring a fresh, spotless toilet every time. This kit includes not one but two PowerStone Pumice Stones, each equipped with a practical storage kit for easy drying and storage. Say goodbye to traditional toilet brushes. This product provides superior cleanliness and efficiency. The PowerStone Pumice Stone redefines cleanliness by effortlessly removing stubborn marks, grime, and unwanted deposits. Unlike ordinary toilet brushes, it leaves no residue behind, guaranteeing a spotless, shiny toilet bowl every time. Designed with busy households in mind, this product comes with a handle that simplifies stain removal. Its efficient and practical design makes toilet cleaning a breeze. Not limited to just toilets, the PowerStone Pumice Stone is a versatile cleaner, excellent for removing stubborn stains on sinks, tiles, and more. Its ergonomic design ensures quick and effective cleaning. In conclusion, the PowerStone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner with Handle is a must-have addition to your cleaning arsenal. It's the best automatic toilet bowl cleaner available in the market, offering superior cleaning power and versatility. Don't waste any more time battling stubborn stains in your toilet. Try the PowerStone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner today and experience the difference for yourself. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more reviews of top quality products. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.